Converting percentages to fractions, a simple guide. Hello learners! Today we're going to delve into a fun and essential topic, converting percentages to fractions. As we explore, remember that it's okay to pause the video at any time or even watch certain parts again. Practice makes perfect. First, let's refresh our understanding of percentages. A percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. It is used to describe proportions in a way that's easily understandable. For example, if 15 out of 100 apples are red, we say that 15% of the apples are red. Now, let's quickly recap fractions. A fraction consists of two numbers, a numerator, top number, and a denominator, bottom number. It represents a part of a whole. For instance, if we have 4 apples and we take 1, we have 1 out of 4, or 1/4 of the apples. Now, we'll start converting percentages into fractions. 1. First, write the percentage number as your numerator. 2. Then, your denominator is always 100, because percentage is per 100. For example, to convert 60% into a fraction, you write it as 60/100ths. To make the fraction simpler, you may need to simplify or reduce it. This means making the numerator and denominator smaller while keeping the same value. To simplify, find a number that can divide evenly into both the numerator and denominator. For instance, with 60/100ths, both 60 and 100 can be divided evenly by 10, or even by 20. When we divide 60 by 20, we get 3. When we divide 100 by 20, we get 5. So, 60% can also be written as the fraction 3/5. Well done, learners! You've just mastered how to convert percentages to fractions and simplify them. Keep practicing with different percentages and soon it'll become second nature. Remember, mathematics is a language too, and just like English, the more you use it, the better you get at it. In our next video, we'll explore how to convert fractions back into percentages. See you then!